Hello my people, how na day? A very big congratulations to Hilda Baci as Guinness World Record has officially confirmed Hilda Baci longest cooking marathon. You see, this type of achievements na only Baba God go fit run am. So my people, may we say a very big congratulations to Hilda Baci for this achievement. Not be only she achieve am for, she achieve am for all of us, all the Naija, all the Africans as well. So Hilda Baci, a very big congratulations to you. So guys, let's jump into the clip. But for those of you now when they come across my video for the very first time, I beg more do me a small favor by subscribing to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.
Congrats, babe. Congratulations, Hilda. Congrats.
Thank you so much, God. Thank you.
You deserve this.
Thank you. Thank you, Jesus.
It was not in vain.
Thank you.